Hey, let's play a game of football. There's a team in the park that want to play us now.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea.
I'll go get a ball from my house.
All right, and while you do that, I'll call some other friends to join us.
Sounds good. See if Sam is free too. His goalkeeping skills will definitely come in handy.
Will do. And let's ask Sandy to join as well. She's fast on her feet and always scores goals.
Perfect. Let's meet back here in 30 minutes with everyone.
Hey guys! What's going on?
We're about to start a game with those kids over there. It's great you can join us, Sam. Your goalkeeping skills could save us lots of points.
Sure thing. And Sandy, your goal scoring skills are unbeatable.
Okay, everyone. Let's start the game. But first we have to warm up.
Remember to focus on passing this time. Last time we played, we kept losing possession because we were all trying to score individually.
Steve's right. It's important to work together as a team. That way we can beat any opponent.
Shoot!
Pass it to me!
Good save!
That was a great game, everyone. What a great result.
We played as a team, not as individuals. We were so much better than the last time we played.
Sandy, those 2 goals you scored were fantastic. I like the first one best. You beat 3 players before scoring. Amazing!
Thanks, Sam. That's nice of you to say. And your goalkeeping was brilliant too. The other team could not get any balls past you. You are the best goalkeeper ever.
Okay, everyone. What would you like to drink? I'm buying.